Hi boys and girls, welcome to another craft nugget by Miss L. Today we're going to Mod Podge a thing. So what I decided to do was find something in my house that I can decorate. And you can get Mod Podge, I actually got this at Target, or you can order it online. It's really easy, it's non-toxic. It does have a pungent smell, but it is for the most part safe for children. If you don't have access to that, you can also use any kind of glue with a little bit of water in it. So I'm going to use Mod Podge today, and I don't have a brush, so I'm going to use a plastic spatula, which you can rinse off and put it in the dishwasher when you're finished. And I like to cover my space with something to protect the table, so I have a piece of scratch paper. And I have a jar that I'm going to Mod Podge today, and I'm going to do the around the edges in the bottom. And so what I did is I found some newspaper and I cut out some colorful images that I liked. So I have some umbrellas, I have some books because I love to read. I found some pictures about baseball and our baseball stadium. I found a picture of a friend whispering in a friend's ear. I found the Golden Gate Bridge. And I found some other colors and things that I liked as well. Some different colors, some cable cars. See what you can find around your house. Magazines work well as well. You can also draw things on construction paper and cut them out and put them on. So I put the Mod Podge in a wide cup. It makes it easier for dipping and wiping off the edges. So I'm going to start with a little bit on my spatula, and I always like to check and see if it's dripping and make sure I wipe 3 times on the edge so that it doesn't drip all over my table. And then the first thing I'm going to do is paint directly on the jar where I want to put my first image. So I'm going to start on the bottom, and I'm going to try to get it as thick as I can. It's nice to be able to see it. And I'm going to start with my biggest piece. Now the next part, you're going to go on top of your newspaper and you're going to saturate the edges. To saturate means to really fill the paper with as much of the Mod Podge as you can. The more soaked it is in Mod Podge, the better it will stick. And I know that right now you can see white showing through on my image, but as it dries, it will dry clear and shiny. upside down and leave it to dry. And we will check back and see how it looks tomorrow. And now I have a beautiful Mod Podge garlic jar. Hope you enjoyed this craft.